how to buy BIGJIM token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is referral codes down in description and get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out on the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Make sure to check their Telegram channel. They include it too on their X account. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. To be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and as you can see, open your Phantom wallet for that. Now after that, click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this is our token. Click on it now. So that's type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive for that token. Click here to select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here. And after that, click on swap here, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues during your buy process, just go back to this page, switch the slip hash from here or customize, because the most issues came from the slip hash. So after that, go and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy BIGJIM. And also, as you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's meaning your investment in a safe place. Don't worry, go and buy this token. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.